Yes, my friends, you're watching here the beautiful bold floral printed with the parrot green with the gap borders. Very pretty. The color and the fabric, if I talk about linen cotton. In the market for the summer varieties, exclusive collections, if I talk about the linen cotton for this summer special, exclusive varieties, the Kesaria manufacturers has brought for you multiple collections at the factory price. Today you're going to see the multiple collections only from the linen cotton segments. And once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So we have to enjoy this summer, right? If I talk about summer, it is very uncomfortable to travel. Everywhere the weather will be very hot and we have to see the collections and we have to varieties of collections we have to carry. Only everyone expects the cotton soft fabric which can absorb sweat, right? So my friends, today I'm going to show you the linen cotton varieties. These collections, if I talk about only, it is the margin price which I talk about the factory price only around 260 to 265 rupees. To know the actual prices, please take a screenshot and quickly place an order from Kesaria Manufacturers online team is there to guide you and to support you. And I will show you the live where the online purchase, how it is being done, and this is the way the count and the executive will deal in the WhatsApp, and they will communicate with you what collections you have purchased, what is the barcode and what is the quantity, what is the price and how many quantity you have taken, total how many bunches. The executive, the live purchase which is the aligned from the side by side, any online, every day the section wise the online segments, these type of collections will go, end of the day it will go to the billing section. So when you do online purchase from any segment, if I talk about saree, lehenga, kurti, kids collections, men varieties, matching collections, all at under one roof, Kesaria is giving you, and the location point to visit Doriwala Square building opposite to Surat Railway Station, next to Mohan Sweets, where you can have just reach of 3 minutes walkable distance. No need to talk to brokers, no need to talk with the third parties or auto drivers. When they will divert to take you to the another locations, please avoid and directly walk down to Doriwala Square building. It's very opposite to Surat Railway Station. When you travel from airport, it takes just half an hour to 40 minutes. That's it. So everyone know the Google is there, directions are there, map is there. No need to ask anyone. So hope you understand, and everyone try to visit when you want to have a business purchase. Then regularly you can do online purchase, video calling purchase. Subscribe this channel and quickly these kind of fast moving linen cotton varieties you can add into your business. Let's see the collections. Very pretty color, the green color with the navy blue pattern, the pure linen, the lotus flower print, the covered print you can see here. In this you will get all the colors which differs 7 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors. If I talk about the matte onion pinkish with lavender color, the unique and stylish print for the colors, especially for the formal, classy, private sectors ladies, you can have these kind of collections for the office wear. If I talk about the next pattern, lovely print, lovely color. Awesome color, I can say. These kind of amazing colors with a beautiful bold floral. You can have these kind of collections also. At manufacturers where they're giving you, this is also one of the pattern. And next saree, which is lovely dark purple, unique color, contrasted color. This is also one of the pattern. In this you have a different designs and colors range. And next color, this is one of the pretty color with the pink. Multiple pink is there in this, and you have a wine maroon border with the gap borders. Every saree is having a gap borders, which is official carry the border sarees, or any print you take, either digital print or multiple print we have. This is also one of the print. So one more print you can see here. This is also one of the collections. These collections also you can purchase. All these lovely colors you have only from the Kesaria manufacturers. Depend on price, depend on retails. You have to color charts. All these varieties you can buy at wholesale price. No change of no doubt or no clarity if you can doubt. Everyone is having a doubt like quantity and quality. Quality and quantity, it matters a lot when we buy anything for the business, right? So ensure you try to visit, and you can do regularly online purchase. Hope you enjoyed these kind of linen cotton. Please keep these new latest varieties at your business. and there's an online team to guide you, to support you, and the collections will come. COD Pan India is available. Out of India also you can purchase for 1 lakh Indian currency, and safe and securely the products will reach at your location. So please support and subscribe this channel. You have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to share your name and city in the comments, my friends. And there's a bell icon, just click it, follow the social media pages. And if you're watching first time the channel for the regular product updates, you can subscribe it, you'll get the notifications. So next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye.